Greetings everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to look at matrix. Matrix is a rectangular arrangement of numbers, letters, symbols in rows and columns. Matrix is just the arrangement of numbers in rows and columns. Now, matrix is denoted with what? Capital letter. As you can see here, this is capital A. We use capital letters to denote what? Matrix. Now, the elements, the numbers inside this bracket is called what? The element of this matrix A. The numbers inside this bracket, which are 4, 1, 0, 2, 3, minus 5. They are the elements of this matrix A. Now let's see the columns and the rows. Now looking at this matrix, this line is the first word column, and this one is the second word column. Now this line is the first word row. This line is the word second row, and this is the word third row. Now in matrix, the plural of matrix is what? Matrices. The plural of matrix is what? Matrices. Now we are going to see how to name a matrix. You can call it the order of a matrix. Let's know how to name it. We are going to name it based on the rows and column. Rows will come first, followed by the column. Now, let's look at the order and the notation of a matrix. The order means the name of that matrix, the name of a matrix, and notation is the position of the elements in a matrix. Now, if we are asked to find the order of these matrices, the order, which is the name. Now for A is called, we now count the number of rows. 1, 2, 3. So we now write 3 by, let's count how many number of columns. 1, 2, 3. So A is called 3 by 3 matrix. 3 by 3 matrix. We are counting row first. So 1, 2, 3, which is 3, and columns 1, 2, 3. So we call it 3 by 3 matrix. Now B, matrix B is called, we count row first. So 1, 2. 2 by column 1, 2. So matrix B is called 2 by 2 matrix. Now matrix C is called, we are counting row first. 1, 2. So row is 2 by column 1, 2, 3. 2 by 3 matrix. So C is called 2 by 3 matrix, B is called 2 by 2 matrix, and A is called 3 by 3 matrix. Remember I said that you have to count the row first before the word column. That is the order. Now, this is the notation of a matrix, which is the position of elements in a matrix. Now, for 2 by 2 matrix, I have A11, A12, A21, A22. This is the position. So in this one, A1, this is 1 means first row and first column. A12 means first row and second column. A21 means second row and first column. A22 means second row and second column for 2 by 2, and this is for 3 by 3 matrix, the same way. So assuming in matrix A now, I am asked to find A22. In matrix A, I'm asked to find A22. So I will now count. This is second row, second column. So I will now come to row, the second row. This is row 1 and this is row 2. So where do I have second row, second column? At this point. Second row, second column, and the value there is what? -1. Now, if in B, I'm asked to find A, 1, 2. This is first row, second column. So this is first row. In this first row, and this is second column. This is where I have the elements. So A12 in B is equal to what? 5. Now in C, you can be asked to find A2, 3. In C, you can be asked to find A2, 3. In this place, it means second row and third column. So this is the second row and this is the third column. So look at the elements there, which is equal to what? 8. So this is how to find the position of elements in a matrix. So if you're asked to find any position at all, A21, A22, in any of these matrix, you can be able to find it. I hope it's clear. Now let's see the types of matrices. The types of matrix. Now the first one is called row matrix. The first one is called what? Row matrix. This is type of matrix which has only one row of elements. It has only one row of what? Elements. You can see it. Only one row. So we call it what? Row matrix. Now the second one is column matrix. When a matrix has only one column of elements. Only one column. Look at it. You have only one column of elements. So we call that type of matrix column matrix. Now, this is zero matrix or null matrix. When the elements of a matrix are all zero. When you look at it, all the elements are zeros. So you call that type of matrix null or zero matrix. Now the fourth one is called square matrix. In this square matrix, it's a type of matrix in which the number of rows is equal to the number of columns. When a matrix has equal number of rows and columns, we call that type of matrix square matrix. You can see here, it has 2 rows and 2 columns, so they are equal. This is 2 by 2. And here it has 3 rows and also 3 columns. So when you have equal number of rows and columns, you call it what? Square matrix. Now the fifth one is called diagonal matrix. This is a matrix which has all its elements 0 except those ones at the leading diagonal. All the elements are 0 except the one at the leading diagonal. And which one at the leading diagonal? Look at the leading diagonal here. So this is the leading diagonal. If other elements are 0 except these ones at the leading diagonal, you call that type of matrix what? Diagonal matrix. I believe it's clear.